This is what we're going to be using for the recipe. We've got a couple of red onions. You can use white onions, but red onions are that bit sweeter. And we've got some red cabbage that we've harvested from garden and a few baby carrots. We just need to cut the core out of this cabbage. So we're just left with that. And then I'm going to take off a layer as well. And these need to be chopped up really fine. And you can either do it by hand or use a processor. We want to be able to take this out of a jar once it's made, a spoonful at a time, so we can just have a nice little garnish on the side of this plate. So to get small pieces, we need to quarter these onions so we don't get big chunks, and then we'll just pop them in there. If they come out too big, we can always run them back through. Everything we're using today is homegrown, so we'll get these cut up. That's about as quick and easy as it gets. These carrots I'm going to split, and then I'm going to cut them into chunks. So again, we can get small pieces. Then we'll do exactly the same thing with this red cabbage. As I said, we don't want big chunks of anything in here. This a bit at a time. So we'll use that bit to start with and we'll see how we go. But first we need to give this a good mix. So we've got a really nice mixture there, onion, carrot and red cabbage, and as you can see it's cut into nice little pieces. And I'm going to add black pepper to this, and then some salt. About a teaspoon. I'll just give that a bit of a shake to get everything coated. I'll just put this jar to one side now, that's been sterilised. I'm going to pop all this into here now, just to make sure we've got enough. And we're going to really press that in as well. I want to get as much as possible into this jar. And I think we've just made a perfect amount. And you've got to admit, that looks amazing. Now we'll make up a brine. So I'm going to use apple cider vinegar, and I'm basically guessing the amount we'll need. And then I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you want it sweeter, add more. But I'm using a sweetener for this, but you can use white or brown sugar. Then I want just a pinch of salt. We'll bring that to a boil, just until that sugar's dissolved. All that sugar's dissolved now, so we can turn that off and we'll let it cool down. Now that brine's cooled down, all we need to do is top this jar up. And pop his lid on, nice and tight, and we'll give that a shake. And you can see after getting a shake, it's gone down a little bit. So we can top that back up. And we're done. An amazing looking sweet pickled pink slaw.